Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to mute WhatsApp in your mobile device. First, make sure that you install your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once done, just tap or open your WhatsApp application. And from here under the chats option, just tap or click the individual message. Just for example, this first message, just tap this or long press this message, and then you will see here a mute icon at the top portion. Just click this and there's a mute notifications. There are three options here if you want to mute this message or this chat for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Let's choose 8 hours, then click OK. Okay, that's it guys on how to mute WhatsApp in your mobile device. I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following and subscribe to this video for more updates. Thank you guys.